Water Aids program of Chhattisgarh evolved over a time. If in real sense, if we talk, so it was not focusing just only on sanitation. It was basically water, sanitation, and hygiene, all the aspects. So way back, we actually started mobilizing persons with disability in Rajnandgaon. So that movement actually started from there. In Chhattisgarh, in the last year of Swachh Bharat Mission Phase 1, they realized that although they have covered all the villages, ODF was achieved, but one portion, one segment of society was totally neglected. Those were persons with disability. And so they took initiative that with the support of WaterAid and UNICEF also came into picture, and they also collaborated in this. A policy formulation pilot was done. Self-help groups were our entry point in the villages. They helped in identifying persons with disability in their community, and then we matched with the data provided by Social Welfare Department.
We could able to influence the disability organizations, and especially the people with disability who are living in the community. We try to have a dialogue with them. We also have made partnership with our local NGO at district level and at the state level. So we try to build their capacity so that they can realize how better they can access to this facility and how best they can utilize this facility for the purposes. We have selected a district called Bhadrak. We have just sensitized the Odisha Viklang Manch people how to conduct the assessment, and they could able to conduct the assessment in the form utilizing the tool. They have conducted PR exercise, and they have conducted FGD. Then they have also conducted the individual interview of the person with disability. They have prepared a baseline of that particular area, and they could able to identify the number of disability and the category of disability.